Didi, what's your take on newly announced central asset monetization policy? Didi, what's your take on newly announced central asset monetization policy
I
by the
already
central
told
government?
you that it is not the Modi's asset, it is that country's asset. Modi cannot sell the country's asset and the public asset like this. It is not the BJP party affairs, it is the country's affairs. We are shocked. It is a unfortunate decision, and not only me, whole of my country will join with me to condemn this.
The Prime Minister and the BJP said that the Congress party has done nothing in 70 years. There is a list here of all the assets that the Congress party has helped build. These assets have been built using public money, thousands and thousands of crores of rupees over the last 70 years. Now the Prime Minister is in the process of selling the crown jewels of this country. This entire privatization is designed to create monopolies. The whole idea behind this thing is to create monopolies for 3 or 4 people. And my young friends who are today searching for a job cannot find a job. You have to understand that the reason you cannot find a job is because the entire small and medium industries have been destroyed. And the reason they've been destroyed is because the Prime Minister insists on building 2 or 3 monopolies that own everything in this country. This is not just a gifting of India's assets. This is going to ensure that the young people in India will not be able to find employment in the future.
If he indeed is against monetization, why wasn't the RFP for monetizing New Delhi railway station torn to pieces by Sri Rahul Gandhi? Is this not monetization? And if this is monetization, then did they sell off the railway, New Delhi railway station? Is it owned by Jijaji now? Does he understand what is monetization? And I took the pains even then for, if I may now admit, the sake of the former president of Congress party, because monetization may probably mean something to him, that we are not selling off. There will be a strict handing back. I said it, and I'm sure many in your media friends will remember that those were words which I uttered.